Hello everybody and welcome to Out of My Tree. Today we're going to work on something I like to call the butterfly project. Let's get started. The first thing you're going to need is a frame from the Dollar Tree, any size that you like, some designer scrapbook paper, and these wonderful butterfly stickers from the Dollar Tree. The first thing that I did was take out the backing of the picture frame and line it up with my scrapbook paper in order to cut out the right size for the frame. I put the backing of the frame directly onto the scrap paper, traced around it, and cut it out. Once you've cut it out, it should now be the entire size of your frame, and you use this as your background. I went ahead and made sure that the scrapbook paper was going to fit inside of my frame exactly the way that I wanted it. And this is what it looks like with just the scrapbook paper, making sure that it fills up all the spaces when I look at it from the front. I took the scrapbook paper back out and began with the different sizes of the butterfly stickers that I was going to use. These butterfly stickers from the Dollar Tree are in 3D. Once I had determined exactly how many stickers I wanted, I just looked at the placement and started laying them down. Since they are stickers, they stick incredibly well to this paper. In the end, to fill up the entirety of this frame, I used 2 stickers by 2 and 4 vertically. Originally with this project, I was going to leave the glass in the frame. However, once I realized that these stickers were 3D, I wanted a more realistic look as if they were real butterflies, so I removed the glass. Once I had removed the glass, I went ahead and put the backing with the stickers in and then put the backing back on the frame. The backing of the frame definitely gives it lots of options in the way that you want to display it. And here is the finished project. As I finished, I realized how incredibly realistic these butterflies look. As you can see, there are lots of different options to display this. You can hang it on a wall or simply put it on a shelf, as I put it on my mantle. I'm so glad you stopped by today to watch this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please hit the like button and subscribe below for any more of my Out of My Tree DIYs. See you next time.